This is such a historic moment for Mativ as we come together from two former companies to merge as one, and to have the opportunity to be here in this amazing place to ring the New York Stock Exchange bell as a public company. It's momentous.
I think the energy of the day and being here is amazing, probably undescribable.
Is really priceless. So for me, is a sense of accomplishment.
It's just a huge moment, and you can just still feel everyone coming together and bubbling over with energy and excitement about the future.
It really is representative of the energy we felt throughout the whole formulation or coming together of Mativ.
And I think more than anything, it's a great celebration for all of our employees around the globe.
No matter what initiative anyone is working on, it comes down to our people. So I am truly just so honored and grateful to be here representing all of them.
For me, ringing the bell is about setting a new chart, a new future for the Mativ organization, and that just gives me a reason for optimism and looking forward to the next steps.
So our execution on our plans in 2023 really gives us the opportunity to show the entire world that we've arrived as Mativ and that we are going to be the premium leading specialty materials supplier in our industry.